How to add another company in QuickBooks. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to add another company in QuickBooks. To do it so, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, follow the simple steps. In order to add another company to your QuickBooks account, you have to follow the steps. First, you want to go ahead and log into your quickbooks.intuit.com and then choose the country. After which you want to select your continent and choose your country from the list. Then you want to click on either buy now or free 30-day trial and choose your new QBO plan. After that, you want to click on add another company and enter your existing Intuit login credentials. Then you want to follow the prompt to complete the sign up process. Once done, you could switch between companies you've subscribed to. After that, you can now use your new QOB account to help you get started. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.